Hello students, today we are going to solve the 21st problem in case of internal reconstruction. The following is a scheme of reconstruction carried out by AB Limited. The present 1 lakh equity shareholders of rupees 10 each will receive in lieu of new fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each equal to 2/5 of their holding, 10% preference shares of rupees 10 each paid up to the extent of 1/5 of their holdings, goodwill worth 1,40,000 totally written off, plant and machinery stood at 2 lakh written down to 1 lakh, and freehold property worth rupees 50,000 written off. New 10% debentures worth rupees 1 lakh issued mainly to make good the working capital of the firm. Pass required journal entries to the above effect. Following scheme of reconstruction is carried out by AB Limited. Present 1 lakh equity shareholders of rupees 10 each will receive in lieu of. It means currently the company has 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Totally you get 10 lakh. Presently the company has 10 lakh equity shares. Now they are going to exchange and then reduce. How they are going to exchange? A. Fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each to the extent of 2/5 of their holdings. So 10 lakh into 2/5, they are giving 4 lakh new equity share. Old equity share is 10 lakh. In place of old 10 lakh, we are giving 4 lakh new equity share. How do you get 4 lakh? 10 lakh into 2/5. So, ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಬದಲು ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಬಂದು 10 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಭಾಗ ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಂಟು 2/5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು 4 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬಂದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ. So old equity is 10 lakh and new equity is 4 lakh. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 10% preference shares of rupees 10 each paid up to the extent of 1/5 of their holding. ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 10 lakh. So 10 lakh into 1/5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 2 lakh. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ 10 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಲು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ? 10 lakh into 1/5. ಸೊ ಸಾರಾಂಶ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 4 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಳೇದು 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ 4, ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ 2, ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ 6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 4 ಲಕ್ಷ ಉಳಿದ 4 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 10 lakh. ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ 10 lakh and give 4 lakh new equity, 2 lakh new preference. So they take back 10 lakh and return to them new equity, new preference, totally 6 lakh. And thereby capital reduction is 4 lakh. Goodwill worth rupees 1,40,000 totally written off. So goodwill has to be written off. Plant and machinery stood at 2 lakh, written down to 1 lakh. So 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಬಂದು 1 ಲಕ್ಷಗೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it is called depreciation. So 1 lakh is called depreciation. And freehold property worth rupees 50,000 to be written off. So freehold property depreciation is 50,000. New 10% debentures worth rupees 1 lakh issued mainly to make good the working capital. So ಹೊಸ debentures ಅನ್ನು public issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They have issued new debentures to the public. So pass journal entries to the above effect. So first journal entry what we have is old equity share capital account debit 10 lakh, that is 1 lakh into 10, to new equity share, that's 10 lakh into 2 by 5, 4 lakh, new preference share 10 lakh into 1 by 5 you get 2 lakh. So ಹಳೆ equity share 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಲೆಕ್ಕನ ತೀರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ 4 lakh. They take old 10 lakh and give new 4 lakh, new 2 lakh, and remaining 4 lakh is called capital reduction. Next we issue 10% new debentures. So we get bank account debit to new 10% debenture 1 lakh. And capital reduction account debit 4 lakh used to write off to goodwill 1 lakh 40, depreciation on plant and machine 1 lakh, depreciation on freehold property 50,000, and remaining capital reserve 1 lakh 10,000 to be taken to balance sheet. But here no necessary to prepare balance sheet because no assets and liabilities are given in the question. Thank you.